missing in here. Santa's craft workshop and face painting as well. Oh wow. Huh?
You were the one that was laughing the loudest about it.
So she got selected to be volunteered. Coming down.
Start the reel.
It's nice and warm in here. People are coming in here to wait while they get on their wagon ride. Like a stroll. So they're done. Good job. Awesome. Let's head out and go get our tickets for the hayride. I got too much stuff in my hands. There is a nice little wait as well, so I'm going to pause you a little bit here. There's the wagon, tractor's pulling it, John Deere. Whole big line waiting for them. I don't know how many people they're able to accommodate on each of the wagons, so we'll find out soon. I think about 20, 25 people maybe, give or take. So they're emptying it out. There's the wagon. Tractor's pulling it, John Deere. Whole big line waiting for them. I don't know how many people they're able to accommodate on each of the wagons, so we'll find out soon. I think about 20, 25 people maybe, give or take. It out. Taking off now. Stop recording. Stop video. GoPro, stop video. They're nice. I was over there.
Oh, it's already up. Oh.
Yeah, they were on. I was just there earlier.
Oh, yeah?
The pump house has the train running.
Oh, yeah?
They had it open today too.
What's that?
The pump house that have the train, little model train set.
That's right. Right now.
You guys cool? Always chaos.
Have you guys seen the Cruise Mill yet? No, we're going in a couple weeks, I think. Okay, yeah, we have to get there too.
That was a lot of fun. Food trucks and all that last year. Did you guys see it? Yeah. That was a big old thing for kids.
Here comes our chariot. In this case, tractor.
Stay back. We don't want any squashed toes, okay?
There's the last group.
I can't believe it! Yes! Yes! It's a miracle! Jackson and Colin. Colin, say that! That was
waiting for the next folks.
Wish I was
At least he's in the spirit.
Yes, very
Doesn't matter.
It's all like
Wait, Chris.
Oh wait, Colin. Wow.
Just one.
We're on the railings, that's it.
I want to get one of the front seats there. Hopefully I'll be able to get... Oh no, I can't get the front seat. That's okay, I'll sit right here. Close enough.
Alright guys, situated.
You're good with them up here?
Yeah, that's good. You all right there?
Yep, I'm fine.
Do not touch this button, okay?
Yep.
Do not press this button.
That's a break.
Bad things will happen, okay?
Nothing.
It's fine if they want to talk. So I was hoping to get the very, very front because I was waiting for this ride for this reason. But I'm sitting off to the side, which is just as good. I can pan a lot better and not worry about the folks that are riding behind me and not filming them as well. So I don't know how much you'll be able to see because a lot of the pathways are not lit up. I mean, up to down to where the main area is over here. You'll be able to see stuff, but as we go down to the string lights up here, as we're returning back for the ride, it'll be pretty dark. Enjoy our ride here. Oh, they got it's like a holiday gift shop. I'm gonna have to swing by there really quick. Oh, and they have stuff here for sale as well. Oh wow, they got like flowers. Oh cool. I'm glad I caught the bonfire earlier when it was really roaring. Just a short little loop that they do, maybe about 5 minutes. There's the trees we saw earlier. And we're going up the hill now toward the furnace again. Sorry, the tractor's really loud. So I'll have to talk pretty close to the mic. So I think most of the event's almost over. I'm gonna see if I can get up to the ironmaster's house before I leave. Enough to get on one of the last few rides here for the day. Now this event started I believe yesterday, and it runs till tomorrow, the December 3rd. But by the time you see this, it'll be next week sometime. There's the shop we were at earlier where they had the belt-driven shop here with different displays going on and they were doing wood turning and corn shucking and all kind of stuff. That was neat. So you got to look inside. And they have the little train over there as well. I guess you'll see pretty good. The lights here are very good. Being in a valley is beautiful. This is the Hay Creek Valley. Making our turn. Going around the loop. Tractor has the headlights on. A couple of sleighs. Mule Stable wagon ride. We're back already. Nice little ride. So I'm getting ready to get off this quick tractor hay ride.
Thank you, Merry Christmas. Yep, you as well. Did you get some good footage?
Yes, I did.
Very good.
Thank you.
I'll leave it up to Colin.
Thank you so much. Let me see. Go through really quick over here, see what they have in the... Oh wow, they have some neat stuff. Let's see what they have in... Looks like a craft. Looks like, if we can find the entrance of this thing. Walk around really quick before I head up to the yeah. Well, I guess I went the wrong way. There's only one way in and one way out. Yeah. So this is the craft tent right here. Shows you what different types of craft they have here. Wow, nice. Nice stuff. Oh, and it's nice and warm in here.
chocolate. Yeah, I'm like, there's a word I know it's in there somewhere.
The center for your table.
The products I use because again, this is for my skin as well as what I'm sharing with the world. It's not a good product. I don't want to sell you a bad product.
Homemade ornaments. I remember my mother-in-law used to make them. Ear warmers and crocheted. And I have a friend that from the church that makes those too, something similar to these things as well. So that was pretty neat, looking around at the craft tent. They're still doing the dancing, the Victorian dancing over there. They have stuff over here. Candles. Oh, stuff for the dogs. And he has these little, beautiful. Oh, not too bad, $10. Oh, I'm in the path of the, I don't know if I'm gonna get something here or not. I know you have to get food tickets, which it's weird. I know it's easier to give the food tickets than to. So I'm not sure if I'm sure they had music earlier, but I wasn't. And let me get footage again. People were getting involved in the jingle bells. Jingle. I'm gonna head up this way because there's stuff over here as well. And maybe see what's down along the way here really quick. I think they have more vendors as well. Oh wow. Live nativity. I'm trying to get my phone out to get a picture of you guys. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yep. Merry Christmas. Oh wow, neat. For the wages of skins is death. Beautiful. And then right here is, oh, why does it keep on doing that? Oh wow, there's an angel. An actual angel is here. Announcing the
Would you like to
birth.
hear the word of the day?
Yes.
Fear not, for behold, I bring you good tidings and great joy, which shall be to all people. For unto you is born this day in the city of David a Savior, which is Christ the Lord. And there shall be a sign unto you: ye shall find a babe wrapped in swaddling paper, lying in the manger. Right over there.
Okay, thank you. Beautiful manger. Yes.
You like to sleep?
They also have a live nativity as well. We got a picture of all these folks.
I think you need Bill Fox sometime.
Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Wow. How the angel put her tip jar away. She has a tip jar.
Oh wow. Not sure what they're doing over here. Oh, they're probably trying to stay, just the actors are trying to stay warm and stuff.
Are you gonna sing it?
Beautiful. It was beautiful. They have a live nativity as well here. May I get a picture of you, Angel? Thank you. Thank you. Well, let's head up to the ironmaster's house first before we head out. So they are playing some music right here. And as you saw when we came earlier, the Belsnickel was out and about checking on the children, see if they were naughty, because if they weren't, he would crack them with the switch. So this is one thing I've never been to. Every time I've come up here, I miss going up into the ironmaster's house. And then there they have some holiday lights as well up there.
Are you kidding me?
So actually the ironmaster's site was right through there where those luminaries are at.
Yeah, they sure are.
I'm not sure what this building is.
Plenty of breath.
The event is almost over, so I'm gonna eventually walk through and check out the light, but I thought this was the ironmaster. I'm not sure what this is. Let me see if we're allowed to go inside and take a look around or not. If not, then we got a good view of it. Something's coming up this way. Oh my. Whew. Walking up this hill was, oh yeah, we can. I believe we can go in. Yeah, we're open. Said we're open, so I'll lead them to these folks. Get out. There's another building over there, but I don't know if that one's open or not. So let's go in here, have a look around. Oh wow.
Sold just about everything you needed. It was open for everybody. It wasn't just a company store. So it was just handy because in through there is the ironmaster's office. So you go in there to get your pay, and then you'd have to come out through here and maybe you need something. So made it pretty handy. And everything that you see here was sold, but not all at the same time. The small town like a
So they have a whole bunch of, they have the history of the furnace as well here. That one's 25 bucks.
And there's the ironmaster's office.
You can get some potted beef for
Yay!
lunch tomorrow.
Delicious and nutritious.
Oh, cool. have the pewter Civil War soldiers. I have the cannons from last year. Now they're $5. So yeah, the candle making molds as well. A whole bunch of stuff in here. Then you got some pictures. I'm holding it right under my arm. I wanted to get a picture with her while she was behind there. Hi.
All right, we can go home now.
Yeah.
So then.
Oh wow. So this was the post office.
Yeah. What did he say? 26 rooms?
Wow.
Something around there.
Yeah.
23?
They-
No, a lot of rooms.
A lot of hiding spots. Good place for my music.
We want to keep that.
No, that's.
There's Robeson.
12 acres of wheat, $8.
Post office.
The post office was in here.
How are you?
Alrighty. I wanted to get one of those castings.
Oh, okay, sure. You want a bag?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. You have a particular one you'd like?
Just the first one right
Okay.
here.
I'll take that one.
I saw them being made over there, so I was like, oh, I want one of those. Yeah, if only that was how the prices are today. Oh, wow. That stove was $12 back then.
What's that?
The template stove was only $12 back then.
Yeah.
Wow.
That's pretty wild.
Yeah. Thank you. Neat.
This is your first time here?
Wow, this is actually, I was here for the Hay Creek Festival,
Okay, great.
but this is the first time up in this house.
Oh, okay.
I've been in
Nice.
here.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
Glad you did.
I've been all over everywhere else. But
yeah,
in-
this one
but-
can be hit or miss. Here,
Yeah.
Depending on volunteers. and stuff.
Yeah. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Walk over there really quick. So this event is almost over. See what this is. Ah, I thought I saw luminaries on here. Oh, okay, I know where I'm at now. This, I think this is the upper part of that building that I was at. I was in that building in the Hay Creek, so check it out. You can want to check out the Hay Creek video of this building. I went into that building. I'll show you in that one. I'll link the Hay Creek video to this video so that if you want to see what it looks like during the daytime, like I said, this is a Christmas event, so I went during a summer event as well for the Hay Creek. So this was the office and store. And as the person inside mentioned, it wasn't just for the company people, it was for anyone that wanted to let me see. Oh, they're turning off the luminaries little by little, so I'm wondering. Yeah, they're picking them up, so I think they're pretty much done. I want to get to these lights before yeah, they're picking up the luminaries right now as we speak, so we're pretty much, this event is almost done, so but I wanted to get to the lights before. So I wanted walk down to the lights before they turn them off really quick. And now I realize I could have took a shortcut. So this was where these steps are at. I believe right here, this is where the ironmaster site was at. So the ironmaster's house would have been right here on this property really quick. So I want to go really quick through these lights. And there's more stairs right there as well. Again, you can check out the Hay Creek. So that's your exit. They had the luminaries on a few minutes ago. I should have just done this really quick and then gone into the office or store. So here's your entrance. Oh, it's a maze. Cool. You have to figure out your way around the maze here. Let's see. So far it's been pretty easy. So there's a maze of lights. That's pretty cool. I just don't want them to turn it off on me while I'm doing the maze. I know they want to go home too. Alrighty. So it's pretty easy to figure out. That's a dead end over there, so we got to go around this way. I'm glad nobody else is. I mean, I don't care if there would have been people here doing the actual maze too, but it's kind of cool to be able to do the maze when there's no one else around in the video. But I love people, but sometimes people get a little bit afraid, you know, and sometimes they don't want to be in your video as well. So now they got to come up through here and pick up all the luminaries along that. But I want to get a picture of the wagon here. Let me see if I can get it from the other side so it won't be so, the lights won't be so bright on it. Oh, cool, there's steps down here. Okay. Whoa. So this is an ore wagon. So if you've been to, what is it, French Creek State Park, I forget the name of the other furnace there, you should know the name of it. They have these there too. This was restored by the Hay Creek Valley Historical Association. So I'm going to step down here. Oh, okay, we're down. We were down by the... I took the long way then. I should have gone the short way. Little Angel is gone now. And it's really mucky here now. Oh, there's the Belsnickel.
You must not be in the Bible. All right, well, you know what?
So we got...
You could knock me off a manure wagon. There you are. You are in the nice section. Well, let me shake hands with a nice man.
The Belsnickel.
Congratulations. So you will get nice gifts for Christmas. All right. All right. Now I'm going to teach. Did you remember from the you were at the bonfire, weren't you? No. Yes. No. Maybe so. Oh well. Then I'm going to teach you how to say holiday greetings in Pennsylvania Dutch. All right. Your family can help. Can you say Halaga? Halaga. Grieshbach. Okay. Seasoned greetings. Halaga Griesbach, everybody. You gotta, because it's German, you gotta go Griesbach. You know, it's got a real language. Halaga Griesbach.
Halaga
Very
Griesbach.
good, very good.
Seasoned
Holiday
greetings.
greetings to you too. Well, thank you very much for being a nice person. All right? You have a nice
Halaga Griesbach to you. So do they have? Oh wow, they have people here. I guess they have something in here as well. Let me see if we can still go inside. Halaga Griesbach. Hello. Oh, never been in here. This is the first time I've been in here. Oh wow.
Pardon me, sorry.
Go ahead. Say pardon me. Oh wow. Never been in here. Wow. I'm dressed in Victorian.
Did I tell you what Robert said when he got home last night? So we're walking back to the car. When we were on our way here, I said to Daddy, why do I have to do this?
Something.
And then he looks at me and he goes, and now I know why.
Beautiful tree.
So if you come tomorrow, I never messaged her.
Beautiful. I've never been inside here. This is amazing.
Yeah, I don't know.
We're gonna go get a cake.
But I'll bring him with me.
Spinning thread.
And then we'll just see how long. So it's gonna be pouring rain over the rest. I'm wondering if they're gonna.
Well, how are you getting the girls at the end of rehearsal?
Steve will have to get it. Because I'll still be here. Yeah. I mean, I guess you could get it and bring him back to our house.
Excuse me. Sorry, I'm
Well, nobody but me. Well, actually, I don't think Mitch's gonna come tomorrow.
Okay.
So, like, Mitch was like, oh, it'll be easier to go and I'll help watch the babies here. I'm down to the fine. It's not gonna be there in person. It's like that. It's just so right here. It's like,
Is it made from flax or wool?
easier. It's like,
Is it flax or wool?
yeah.
Flax.
Or maybe that
Okay.
just like, I think what's happening is
So it is flax. I was right.
you're asking him to watch them more.
But I had to ask anyway.
He's like, so he wanted to hear, but like he's sitting in the car with them now. He's like, I don't want to. So, but there's teaching, they're point sleep.
The hurricane lamps all around.
That's one of those screens.
Hey, Ulysses S. Grant.
Back of the chairs. Yeah, we have a Toyota. That's like a very advanced package.
Yeah, I don't even know if they do that yet. That's why I was asking.
Where the food workers come out, head out. Close the door. Handel's Messiah. So I'm going to try to find a spot to where I can do my outro. The bonfire is almost done. I'm glad I caught it when I did and when I first came in, because it was really rip-roaring. Oh, they had mead over there. They have another barrel with fire, and I think we're pretty much the last one. Yeah, all the food tickets. The food ticket booth is closed, so can't get any food right now anymore. I wanted to, and all of them are closing up anyway. But we'll take a quick gander. They have popcorn here, kettle corn.
We got the last kettle corn.
So that's where
got
you.
the last kettle corn?
Oh man, I bet you're not even getting it.
Yeah, it dropped.
Okay. Oh.
That's my heater.
So most of the vendors are closing up. I wanted to come by here earlier, but see what they had, what they were offering here. Check out all these vendors right before I leave. So if you were looking for holiday gifts, they have them here. Here's Orchard. Yep, like I said, most of the shops are already closing up. So what they have here, really quick. Oh, okay. Craft tents. So this is another craft tent. This is the I guess number one. See what they have. Oh. Let's look around really quick. Oh, it's nice and warm again. Have a lot of liquor.
And like the adults, you pay $10. Like it's a fair price for families.
Yeah, I see. Come on.
You can have a sticker.
Handmade ornaments.
Oh, yeah, that's
Recycled material. Awesome.
We're gonna go.
Good thing you figured it out.
So there's the North Shore Trading Company.
Conservation by
And they have mead here. You can try out the different meads.
Thank you, though. Next one is
And what's here? And creature crafts. And they're same difference. Okay. Oh, alrighty. Oh, they're putting away their stuff already. Milky Blue, jerky. Sure.
I'm gonna throw them away anyway.
Oh wow, it's a shame.
Recording.
Yeah.
Oh,
Okay.
After bringing the others to the shop. This is for the shop.
Yeah, get me that one.
On top of
Alrighty.
here, I suppose.
Are they all the same? Yeah. Thank you. See how their jerky is. Oh, very good.
And I don't know if these people take money or. No. So you can't have like cans or.
Wow, it's spicy.
You want to hook the other side of it?
I think you're supposed to use that.
See, I'm
You
good.
get the
Gentlemen, over to the finish.
freshly roasted. No, alpaca. There's an alpaca there. Where is my phone? Uh-oh, I did, yeah. That's what I realized. I'm like, uh-oh,
Something that big, you shouldn't be losing.
yeah, that's true. You got the picture of the alpaca here.